Let me tell you two things that I like about these headphones and one caveat. So first of all, what I like is they're easy to put on. See how easy that is? I didn't have to worry about, are they all the way in my ear, anything like that. They just go on so easily and they fit so well. It's comfortable, very comfortable fit. And I like that it's more open. It's more open air. I've got one pair of headphones or earbuds that are so noise canceling, I can't hear anything else. Yes, I know it sounds good, but in the gym, it's a little too much. I kind of want to know what's going on around me, and these are good for that. The sound in these is impressive. Yes, it sounds very good. Even though it's open ear, you still get like immersive sound. The highs are good, the mediums are good, and the bass, even for a small speaker, is surprisingly good. Now, there is one caveat. I found that when I'm at the gym and I'm lying on my back doing like a bench press, this part does push a little bit. So it's no biggie. You just kind of have to adjust it a little bit and then you're good to go. Very cool headphones. I dig them. I recommend them.